ప్రధాని నరేంద్ర మోడీ జన్మదిన సందర్భంగా ఇక్కడ పిఎంఓకి సంబంధించినటువంటి ప్రధాని నరేంద్ర మోడీ గ్యాలరీ అనుకోవచ్చు, తర్వాత ఒక మ్యూజియం గత సంవత్సరం ప్రారంభించడం జరిగింది. అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే ప్రధానంగా ఈరోజు కొన్ని స్పెషల్ అట్రాక్షన్స్ అనుకోవచ్చు, మనకు ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ 3D ఎఫెక్ట్ తోటి చేసినటువంటి సర్దార్ వల్లభాయ్ పటేల్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి స్పాంటనియస్గా క్వశ్చన్స్, అంటే ఇంతకుముందు హిస్టరీలో ఏం జరిగింది, ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఏంటి అన్నది ఏదైనా ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినా కానీ ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వడానికి ఇక్కడ సర్దార్ వల్లభాయ్ పటేల్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి 3D ఎఫెక్ట్స్ తోటి ఒకటి ఏర్పాటు చేసినటువంటిది. ఇప్పుడు మనం ప్రస్తుతము ప్రధాని నరేంద్ర మోడీ గ్యాలరీకి సంబంధించి ప్రతి వస్తువుని కూడా ఇక్కడ వివరించడానికి ఇక్కడ కొంతమంది ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడించి అనేక విషయాలు తెలుసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. గ్యాలరీలో ఉన్న విషయాలను అడిగి తెలుసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది కూడా మనకు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇవ్వడానికి ఇక్కడ స్టాఫ్ కి సంబంధించిన పర్సన్స్ ఉన్నారు. హాయ్ హస్తా. హాయ్
madam.
And today is
Prime Minister's Narendra Modi's 75th birthday, and we are celebrating his birthday here. And we have in Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya this exhibit of Prime Ministers that start with this beautiful speech that he had given on 15th of August 2022. So through here you can listen it very carefully. And this whole exhibit is about his whole dedication work, starting with his early life here. And if you can turn and you can see that from 1950 till the time he took his first oath as a Prime Minister, it is actually described. And through all the tenure that he had completed, we have projected all the work here. And the countries he had visited so far, we have implemented the whole countries with the name of theirs, and he's been honored by most of the countries. So there's a whole panel that you can also see the countries he had visited so far, and he's been honored by most of the countries.
And what is this?
This is a beautiful yes, we can go here. This is a tea brochure he had received in this visit of Brunei, and we have received this prestigious gift from PMO, and we have placed it on his exhibit. And we have seen visitors and delegation who come from the different country, and they feel very proud to see that.
This is the tree, and
This is actually Bodhi tree. Bodhi tree has a very important significance when it comes to Modi ji's life. If you read through his whole past and his whole life story, it has given a very significant role and the message. So that's why we have put it here in a smaller section.
ప్రధాని నరేంద్ర మోడీ ఏదైనా ఒక డ్రెస్సింగ్ అయినా కానీ చాలా స్పెషల్గా మనం చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. కానీ ఆయన ఏదైనా ఫ్లైట్లో జర్నీ చేసినా కానీ ఏదైనా ఒక అచీవ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఉన్నటువంటి ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి వస్తువులన్నీ చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఇక్కడ మ్యూజియంలో దాచిపెట్టడం జరిగింది. అస్సా, అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద మెమరీ.
This is actually the suit that Modi ji had wore when he won this Tejas, and this is being given by sir only, the souvenir, and we placed it in his exhibit. And that shows the dedication and work towards the armed forces and the development towards the armed forces that Prime Minister had decided to work upon. And this similar national security that we have this exhibit, we talk about all the armed forces, and the current government had taken the initiative towards the armed forces. So that's actually 10 minutes ride where actually public and the whole crowd is gathered here to see this, and 10 minutes take the ride that is actually virtually immersive ride that you can also connect with all the armed forces, and that shows all the decision and initiative being taken by the current government towards the development of theirs. So that's a 10-minute ride, and it is a capacity of 21 people currently. So all can sit and they can have the ride done. If you want, you can try it, and it's very minimal cost, 50 rupees for a person, and that is up to you. You can take it. There are so many interactives when it comes to augmented reality and virtual reality in Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya. This is one of it, one of the kind. And we have picture with the Prime Minister. You can take your favorite Prime Minister picture next to sitting with you, and you can select from first to the current one, and that will be sent it to you in your email, and you can connect with it, share it with the WhatsApp.
मैंने देखा अभी. I'm very shocking. Yeah, please give me one photo.
Immediately you receive the picture and you share it on your WhatsApp status, and you send it to your family. And you can also walk with them. That's a 17-second recorded video. You walk in front of Sansad Bhavan, and that will be sent it to your email address. So there are so many interactive that a person and a public can engage themselves with these things. And we have Prime Minister exhibits that start with their early life of theirs and their tenures that we have completed, and that's shown the whole graph of their work experience. And through the archival papers, archival documents that we have, it's a museum that connects with all the age group.
Okay. And timings इसका मतलब जो भी
Timings are 10 to 6, and except Mondays we are open every day.
Okay.
So we can come. We have the planetarium, we have a library, we have a beautiful eatery spaces. Yeah, a person can come and plan the whole itinerary with us
Yeah,
for
thank
a
you.
whole day.
चलो.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, आगे का. Yeah, please.
So this is, we have Prime Minister Modi is becoming as a leader of the country. So this is about his early life and the struggle he had followed so far. So this actually explains all the decision and him from the birth and taking the first oath. You can see the pictures and the archives. And this has taken so many years to complete. From 2022 it got inaugurated, but we have taken these archives from Prasar Bharati, Doordarshan, Film Division, National Archives, and so many places.
Okay.
This is about the early life. Here we are talking about all the decision and decision taken by the current government.
What is this? What
This
is
actually the 3D replica of the spaces where you can see that in terms of preserving the environment, what our government had done. So this is what we have explained from the 3D space towards preserving the forest, towards preserving the environment.
Okay.
We have all the decisions. So you can see if they talk about metro or they talk about the bullet train, so there will be a bullet train that's running here. So this is in projecting in a 3D way,
3D way.
कि how we are preserving the environment and पर्यावरण के लिए प्रधानमंत्री और हमारे गवर्नमेंट का क्या डिसीजन रहा है अभी तक. As we move, we can see जन भागीदारी मन की बात. So we have all the recorded audios.
What is this?
This is one of the souvenir that we have received from PMO, and here we have this autographed chessboard from one of the great grandmaster of chess champion, D. Gukesh. So you can see the picture.
Yeah,
so
Gukesh,
he actually shared this souvenir to Modi ji, and as you know, Modi ji couldn't hesitate, and he had given. So this is the message for all the children and the school students that we receive here,
Yes.
that a prime minister who supports, who actually encourage all the people, all the children. So this is the message for school students who actually come here in numbers, that we receive people here, and the students who take the message from here that we can be the next person, like Gukesh, and next to Prime Minister.
Yeah.
So here we have all the recorded speeches of Jan Bhagidari, Man Ki Baat, that a person can click and listen to all the audios that we have recorded here. So we have all Jan Bhagidari, Man Ki Baat, Pariksha Pe Charcha. So a person can sit and they can listen to the whole audio that's been kept it here.
Okay. Man Ki Baat, the total programs.
Total program. So you can select, for example, I want
Man
to
Ki Baat. Yeah.
So I can select Man Ki Baat. From 2025, there are all the audios. So you have to connect with the this. Yes. आप actually you can sit and you can listen.
Yes.
Now I can see that why everybody is celebrating Prime Minister birthday this time, because he connect through this. He connect through the general public, or Jan Bhagidari is one of the tremendous decision that the Prime Minister had taken to connect with the single person from every places. As we are fortunate that we can see him nearby, but a public can connect and listen. They can tell the questions and they can ask anything by connecting with the Prime Minister directly with this. So we have all the recorded speeches here.
Sure.
A person can come and listen. Yeah. Similarly, this side we have the global peace and harmony. We don't know just give. So we have this.
No.
About the G20, all of the work that he had done. This might be actually about his encouragement
All
all the
countries.
countries. So as we received delegation from every part of the country who comes here, diplomats and everybody, they feel very proud and encouraged to see themselves and the country the Prime Minister had visited. So we have the pictures of all of the people and the leaders who've been connected throughout with, in terms of G20 and all the work that Prime Minister had done so far here. And he's been honored by most of the countries that has a list here. And we keep on adding. You know, we keep on adding every year. So till 2025 we've been connected to 2025 year. So he's been honored by these countries.
Okay.
So this is also interactive. A person can interact and they can see, they can write and they
How
can...
many countries visiting?
I'm not sure with the numbers, but as we know, there are people who said that we also got to know about the country name when Prime Minister Modi visited. So that's actually a different. I am not sure about the number, but the Prime Minister had visited so many countries and he actually honored India in so many terms. So you can see, as we have also put all the pictures and. This side we can go here.
Yeah, sure.
This is all we have.
Amrit Kala.
Amrit Kala. So this is about science and technology, the advancement being done by towards the current. So यहाँ पे you can take the pledge basically. I pledge for the India. You select with this. You have to take the pledge here, and then from the next you have to write your name. For example, I'm writing Astha. I write my email address.
Okay.
Nice. So this pledge will be sent it to me directly. So that actually goal of developed India. I took this oath today that my goal is to develop India in my terms. So this is what we have, so many places to be take off. And if a person come here and they see that the 75 years of this enormous India development, they also take and be a part of it, and they are already the part of it. So this is Prime Minister Modi's pledge. This is about the COVID-19 protocols that we have followed, and also the vision of Prime Minister, who the country had took this step as an Indian country that has come up with this COVID-19 pandemic. So we are actually explaining about how the Prime Minister took the decision and it got immersive development. Yes. So this is the complete lockdown. So we are also showing a small COVID-19 big thumbs here. So if a person can see through, we are here. So you can try if you want to try.
What is the process?
It's actually you have to put it. This is the VR. Okay.
प्रतिरक्षा प्रणाली की सहायता करती है। भारत बायोटेक की कोवैक्सीन और सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया की कोविशील्ड भारत में उपयोग की जाने वाली कोविड-19 वैक्सीन थी। वायरल वेक्टर प्लेटफॉर्म पर निर्मित कोविशील्ड ने SARS स्पाइक प्रोटीन आनुवंशिक सामग्री प्रदान करने के लिए एक कमजोर चिंपांजी एडेनोवायरस सेल का उपयोग किया, जिससे दोबारा संक्रमित होने पर नोवल कोरोना वायरस को पहचानने और लक्षित करने के लिए प्रतिरक्षा प्रतिक्रिया और एंटीबॉडी उत्पादन शुरू हो गया। कोविरियन इनएक्टिवेटेड नैनो सेल डिराइव्ड तकनीक के साथ विकसित कोवैक्सीन में एक निष्क्रिय
ప్రధాని నరేంద్ర మోడీ జన్మదిన వేడుకలు ఒకవైపు అంగరంగ వైభవంగా జరుగుతున్నాయి, కానీ ఈరోజు మ్యూజియంలో చాలా స్పెషల్గా కూడా కొన్ని అంటే 3D ఎఫెక్ట్తో చేసినటువంటి ఎఫెక్టివ్గా సర్దార్ వల్లభాయ్ పటేల్కి సంబంధించినటువంటిది ఒక 3D ఎఫెక్ట్తో చేసినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఇచ్చే విధంగా కూడా ఒకటి స్పెషల్గా తయారు చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు మనము లోపలికి వెళ్ళేటటువంటి ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. దాదాపు 15 ప్రధానమంత్రులకు సంబంధించినటువంటి ప్రతి వస్తువు అనుకోవచ్చు, ఇతర దేశాలతో కలిసినప్పుడు వారితో పంచుకున్నటువంటి అనుభవాలను అనుకోవచ్చు, ప్రతిదీ కూడా ఇక్కడ ఈ మ్యూజియంలో పెట్టడం జరిగింది. ఇక్కడ అనేక విషయాలను అడిగి తెలుసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. హై.
So we start with this emblem here.
ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు మ్యూజియంలో చాలా ప్రధానమంత్రులకు సంబంధించినటువంటి వివరించడానికి ఇక్కడ టీంలో ఉండేటటువంటి పర్సన్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. హాయ్ అస్సా. అండ్ యా, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద हमारा पीछे जो भी है पार्लियामेंट
Constituent Assembly's picture here, and as we follow with the all 15 Prime Minister picture that been placing here, you can see that. So a person can come and they can take a look of this national emblem of India, and they get very surprised to see that it is levitating. It is actually suspended on this magnet. You can see that it's up in the air, and because of repulsion magnetic force, it's bit up in the air. And that side you can see that 22 official languages.
Yeah, actually जो basic नीचे कुछ भी नहीं, just ఇక్కడ మా ధర్మ ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే మనకు అశోక చక్రం అనుకోవచ్చు, మన యొక్క నేషనల్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి చిహ్నం ఉంది, కింద అంతా కూడా మనకు ఖాళీగా ఉంది. అక్కడ కింద ఎంప్టీగా ఉంది. ఇదంతా కూడా అయస్కాంతంతో నిలబడినటువంటిది ఒక చిహ్నము. అసలు కింద ఏ సపోర్టింగ్ కూడా లేదు. నీచే కూర్చు సపోర్ట్ నయ్యే ధర్మ ఉస్కా ఫోకస్ కర్. కింద ఎలాంటి సపోర్ట్ లేదు. ఇది ఒక మ్యాగ్నెట్తో నిలబెట్టినటువంటిది. ఒకటి మనకు జాతీయ చిహ్నము. బట్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్పెషల్ అట్రాక్షన్. యా యా ప్లీజ్.
22 official languages, the Namaste has been written, that been registered to our constitution. So there's if a visitor is coming from there, if nobody is here to welcome them, so there's a whole wall that actually welcomes in Pradhan Mantri Sanbal.
Yeah. Actually 22 languages తోటి మనకు ఏదైతే ఇక్కడ జాతీయ చిహ్నాన్ని చూసిన తర్వాత వెంటనే మన జాతీయ అంటే ఏదైతే భాషలు మన ఇండియాలో ఉండేటటువంటి భాషలు ఏదైతే ఉందో వెంటనే ఇక్కడ అన్ని భాషలు మన ఇండియాలో మాట్లాడే భాషలను చూడాలన్న దాంతో ఇక్కడ స్పెషల్గా పెట్టడం జరిగింది. అండ్ నమస్తే అండ్ తెలుగు అండ్ నమస్కార్, హలో, వనక్కం ఇలాంటి టోటల్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ అన్ని కూడా ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ చేయడం జరిగింది.
From first to the current Prime Minister that you see, their tenures been written with a beautiful quote said by them. Okay. And there's a whole 15 Prime Minister that you can see, and there's a whole passage that actually drives and unite them all together here in this building. Yes. And we have this exhibit also that is freedom and unity, that actually explains all of those leaders who sacrificed for the nation, and they all united us all together. When it comes to unity, you see Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's names comes, and this specific place will actually 180-degree projection will actually explain the whole work and contribution towards his of, as you can see that Sardar Patel's contribution here is being shown. That's a 30 minutes video that actually explained about his work here. And the beautiful part about this place is the pictures and the videos that you see here. These are the best.
Total Hyderabad
Nizams ka. And that is also that side is this hologram.
Sir, hi sir.
Yes, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
What is the meaning and what is the process?
मैम मीनिंग ये है कि अपने पसंदीदा प्रधानमंत्री द्वारा लिखित पत्र पाएं.
ओके.
ठीक है, ये 15 प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं, नेहरू जी से लेकर मोदी तक. जो मोदी जितने भी हमारे ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं, इनके जो अपने वर्ड होते हैं ये आपको लिख के देंगे, और उसमें साइन भी होंगे प्रधानमंत्री के, और आपके नाम भी होगा उसमें. जी.
ओके.
जो भी इनके जो प्रधानमंत्री के जो भी थॉट हैं, अच्छी बातें हैं, वो आपको लिख के देंगे साइन करे हुए, ताकि आप उस पर चलें. जी. तो आप कौन सा? हाँ बिल्कुल, आप बताइए आपको क्या. आप बताइए कौन से प्राइम मिनिस्टर? मोदी जी लेंगे. ठीक है, काफ़ी फेवरेट है ये, सबके ये हैं मोदी जी. ठीक है.
कला.
जी. आपका नाम?
कला.
कला. के ए एल ए. ठीक है. स्टार्ट. जी.
Namaste, Akshay ji. I am Vallabhbhai Patel, a freedom fighter and the first Home Minister of India. Feel free to explore my journey and the times that shaped our nation's freedom.
Thank you so much. प्रधानमंत्री जी संग्रहालय एंड मोदी जी का नाम से. एंड वी शुड रिमेन स्टूडेंट्स फॉर लाइफ टाइम. यू शुड बी रेडी एंड अर्न एंड लर्न फ्रॉम एवरी मूवमेंट ऑफ लाइफ. थैंक यू मोदी जी.
That this is a beautiful message that we all follow. Yeah. That we should remain student for lifetime. You should be ready to learn from every moment of life. This is what he follows, and he actually wants everybody to follow the same. So this is what we have in this Prime Minister letter that you can this eve in Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, and thank you, sir.
आप पीछे बैठ जाते हैं।
सर बैठे सर।
आप भी आएंगे ना, ये भी बैठेंगे?
नहीं, वो शूट कर रही है।
अच्छा
उसके बाद वो बैठेगा।
अच्छा ठीक।
क्या है सर ये पूरे टोटल?
ये मैम ये हेलीकॉप्टर राइड है। इसमें हमारे जो प्रिय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी हैं, उन्होंने जो भी हमारे देश के लिए जो बनाया है, जो भी किया है, वो सब आपको इसके हिसाब से दिखाया जाएगा। और आप देखेंगे आप सामने कि आप क्या दिखाएंगे। आप पीछे आ जाइए।
आधुनिक बुनियादी ढांचे, वैज्ञानिक नवाचारों और इंजीनियरिंग के चमत्कारों के लिए उड़ान भरेंगे। अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी कसें और सवारी का आनंद लें।
आपको पूरा फील होगा कि आप जैसे लगा आप हेलीकॉप्टर में बैठे हैं। और हमारे श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी देश के पहले ऐसे प्रधानमंत्री हैं जिन्हें सब दुनिया लाइक करती है।
ये है शानदार ढोला सादिया सेतु। ये पानी पर
जी, यहाँ जितने भी विजिटर आते हैं, जितने भी आते हैं, उन्हें बहुत अच्छा लगता है और तारीफ करके जाते हैं मोदी जी।
जी, जो दुनिया का तीसरा
खुश हो जाते हैं, और अगर वो विजिटर खुश होते हैं तो हमें और ज़्यादा खुशी होती है। कि हमारा काम ही यही है कि विजिटरों को खुश करना और उनकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना।
टोटल कितने मिनट का होता है?
5 मिनट्स। ये 5 मिनट्स का होता है, लेकिन 5 मिनट्स का तो होगा, लेकिन आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि कुछ देर और होता।
बिल्कुल
5 की जगह 10 मिनट होता।
कश्मीर में
लेकिन होगा ये आगे फ्यूचर में होगा, जैसे जैसे हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी उन्नति करेंगे,
जो महान
करते रहेंगे, तो आगे ऐड होता रहेगा इसमें।
बिल्कुल।
इसलिए कहते हैं कि मोदी जी है तो मुमकिन है। क्योंकि जब से मोदी जी आए हैं तब से कुछ जो कभी होता नहीं था वो भी होने लगा है। जो हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था वो भी हमारी सोच पूरी हो रही है।
रोहतांग दर्रे के नीचे बनी अटल सुरंग दुनिया की सबसे लंबी हाईवे सिंगल ट्यूब टनल है। ये
आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
पूरे साल कनेक्टिविटी और हमारे सशस्त्र बलों को रणनीतिक लाभ प्रदान करती है।
यही तो हमारे मोदी जी चाहते हैं कि देश का पूरे वर्ल्ड में सब खुशी रहे, सुख रहे और सब उन्नति करें। और इसीलिए पूरे वर्ल्ड में सब मोदी जी को लाइक भी करते हैं।
भारत की तटरेखा की क्षमता को समक्ष लाने वाली ये सागरमाला परियोजना है।
कब शुरू किया
जो तटीय
ये मैम 2022 में 14 अप्रैल को उद्घाटन हुआ था इसका।
500 किलोमीटर
जी,
जलमार्गों
जी,
के
22 में।
परिवर्तनों की विकासोन्मुखी है।
कितने लोग इधर देखने के लिए आते हैं ये पूरा?
मैडम ये आप लगा लीजिए जैसे मंडे टू फ्राइडे समथिंग 1500, बट सैटरडे संडे 3000, 5000। टिकट सोल्ड आउट हो जाता है, टिकट ही नहीं मिलती।
ओके
जी। इंडिया के हर कोने कोने से लोग आते हैं, चाहे साउथ हो, उत्तर हो, नॉर्थ हो, वेस्ट हो, सब आके लाइक करते हैं।
आशा है कि आपने भारत के कुछ सबसे नवीन विकास कार्यों पर आधारित इस रोमांचक सवारी का आनंद लिया होगा।
ये हेलीकॉप्टर लैंड।
थैंक यू।
ओके, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू। एक मिनट धर्मा। एक मिनट मैम, कैसे फील हुआ?
बहुत ही अच्छा फील हुआ, ऐसे लगा बिल्कुल रियल उसमें जा रहे थे ना। जैसे हम 3D मूवी वगैरह देखते हैं तो 3D के बाद एक बार मैंने 5D भी देखी तो बिल्कुल वैसा ही फील हो रहा था कि बिल्कुल जो दिख रहा है। और लेटेस्ट डेवलपमेंट की जो था, जो हम सुनते थे, वो इसमें महसूस किया।
सर अभी हमारा इंडिया कैसे सर? अभी
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छी डेवलपमेंट हुई है मोदी जी की। उसमें गवर्नमेंट में बहुत अच्छा हुआ, क्योंकि मैं अभी पोर्ट और शिपिंग से रिलेटेड है, तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि लास्ट में हमारे पोर्ट और शिपिंग का दिखाया गया। बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत थैंक यू वेरी मच।
ఏదైతే ఇక్కడ హెలికాప్టర్కి సంబంధించింది అనుకోతూ ఇక్కడ అంటే 22లో దీన్ని ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేయడం జరిగింది. టోటల్ 3D ఎఫెక్ట్స్ తోటి టోటల్ ఎంటైర్ అంటే డెవలపింగ్ మన ఇండియా ఏ విధంగా డెవలప్ అయింది అన్నటువంటిది ప్రతి అంశాన్ని కూడా ఇక్కడ చూపించేటటువంటి ఎఫెక్ట్స్ తోటి ఒక హెలికాప్టర్లో కూర్చొని మన మూమెంట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, తర్వాత మొత్తము అంటే మన కన్యాకుమారి నుంచి మనకు జమ్మూ కాశ్మీర్ వరకు ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుంది అన్నటువంటిది ప్రతి డెవలప్మెంట్ని దీంట్లో చూపించడం జరిగింది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ వండర్ఫుల్ మూమెంట్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా ఇక్కడికి పిఎంఓకి ఇక్కడ అంటే పిఎంకి ఏదైతే మ్యూజియంకి వచ్చారో ఖచ్చితంగా దీన్ని చూడాల్సినటువంటి ఒక మంచి స్పెషల్గా పిల్లలకి చూపించాల్సినటువంటి ఐటమ్.